Modern cars are becoming a nightmare to own long-term. Fragile sensors, glitchy screens, and overstressed engines make them feel like ticking time bombs. But a few hidden sedans still exist, built like tanks and engineered to last decades. These overlooked classics are reliable, affordable, and seriously undervalued. Today, we are revealing 7 bulletproof cars you should buy before everyone catches on. Stay tuned, because our #1 pick might be the most unstoppable car ever made. And it is still shockingly cheap. Number 7. Let's start with a car that redefined what a reliable commuter could be. Between 2007 and 2011, the 8th-generation Honda Accord was the benchmark for the mid-sized segment. Most people see these as just basic transportation, but under the hood, they were engineered with a level of precision that is hard to find today. If you opt for the 2.4-liter K-Series 4-cylinder engine, you are getting one of the most durable power plants ever produced. It uses a timing chain rather than a belt, which means one less massive maintenance headache to worry about. These engines are known to cross the 300,000-mile mark with nothing but basic oil changes. Even the 5-speed automatic transmission in these years was refined to handle the daily grind without the shuddering issues found in earlier models. In the real world, these cars have a reputation for being absolutely relentless. They just don't quit. Why are they still under $15,000? Because Honda sold millions of them. They are everywhere, which keeps the price down for now. You get a spacious cabin, decent fuel economy, and parts that you can find at any local auto store for pennies. It's a car that gives you complete peace of mind, and it runs forever if you give it the bare minimum of care. It is the perfect entry point into the world of bulletproof ownership. But the next car on our list takes that legendary Honda reliability and shrinks it into an even more efficient package that somehow manages to be even cheaper to run. Number 6. If you want something that is even easier to maintain and can't be killed, look no further than the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. This 8th-gen model, often called the FD or FA chassis, depending on where you are, is a masterclass in simplicity. While the early 2006 and 2007 models had a minor engine block casting issue that Honda fixed under warranty, the 2008 to 2011 models are essentially immortal. The 1.8-liter R18 engine is the heart of this beast. It is a single overhead cam design that prioritizes longevity over everything else. It doesn't have a complex turbocharger or a fragile CVT transmission. Instead, you get a robust 5-speed automatic or a crisp manual that will likely outlive the chassis itself. People regularly drive these cars across the country with high mileage because they trust them implicitly. These Civics are still affordable because they were marketed as entry-level cars, meaning many buyers overlook them in favor of flashier, newer models. But owning one means you'll spend less on gas and almost nothing on repairs. It is the ultimate tool for someone who wants to beat the system. The interior layout is quirky but functional, and the visibility is some of the best in the business. And it is a car that asks for nothing and gives you everything in return. But, as reliable as a Civic is, there is a legendary rival from Toyota that offers a completely different level of set-it-and-forget-it engineering that might just be the most famous nameplate in history. Number 5. The 2007 to 2012 Toyota Camry is the car that cemented Toyota's reputation as the king of reliability. Specifically, the XV40 generation is a masterpiece of functional design. Whether you find one with the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder or the incredibly smooth 3.5-liter V6, you are buying a car that was built to survive neglect. The V6 version, in particular, is a sleeper. It produces nearly 270 horsepower and can embarrass many modern sports cars at a red light. Yet it will easily cruise to 250,000 miles without a single major mechanical failure. And the transmission is a traditional torque converter automatic that shifts smoothly year after year. The real-world reliability of the Camry is so legendary that it has become the default choice for high-mileage commuters and taxi fleets globally. It is still under $15,000 because people think it's boring. They see it as an appliance. But in an era where modern cars are constantly in the shop for software updates, a boring car that always starts is a luxury. The Camry is comfortable, quiet, and uses parts that are available in literally every corner of the country. It is a bulletproof investment for anyone tired of dealership service departments. You can buy one of these with 150,000 miles on the clock and still expect another decade of service. And somehow, here it gets even more reliable and more luxurious if you step up to its bigger, more sophisticated brother. Our number one car, though, makes even this Camry look like a toy. Before we move on, realize this. The cars so far are solid, but the top four are on another level. These were built tougher, engineered better, and designed to last forever. If you think these are reliable, what's coming next will shock you. Number 4, that brings us to the 2006 to 2011 Toyota Avalon. This is effectively a Camry that went to finishing school. It sits on a slightly longer wheelbase and offers a level of interior room that rivals a Mercedes S-Class, but without the nightmare maintenance costs. Under the skin, it shares the same 3.5-liter V6 engine as the Camry, which is widely considered one of the best engines Toyota ever designed. See, the Avalon was built with extra sound, deadening, and higher quality interior materials, making it a Japanese Buick in the best way possible. Because it was originally marketed to an older demographic, most Avalons on the used market have been meticulously maintained and never driven hard. You can find these for well under $15,000 because they lack the cool factor of a sportier sedan. But those who know. Owning an Avalon means you get Lexus-level comfort with Toyota-level repair bills. It is a smooth, quiet fortress on wheels that will outlast almost anything on the road today. It is truly a hidden gem that is starting to gain a cult following among long-distance commuters. The suspension is tuned for comfort, the seats are like armchairs, and the trunk is massive. And it's a car that feels like it's built like a tank while providing a cloud-like ride. It is a masterclass in understated durability. But if you want that same reliability with a bit more soul and a rear-wheel drive platform, you have to look at the Lexus lineup. Number 3, the 2006 to 2013 Lexus IS 250 and IS 350 are the perfect entry point into the world of bulletproof luxury. While the IS 250 is great, the IS 350 is the real star here. It features the 2GR-FSE engine, which utilizes both port and direct injection to prevent the carbon buildup issues that plague many modern German cars. This engine is a work of art. It's fast, refined, and runs forever. The build quality inside a Lexus of this era is significantly higher than a standard Toyota or Honda. Everything you touch feels substantial, from the leather seats to the dampened switchgear. Owners report that even with 200,000 miles on the clock, these cars don't develop the rattles or squeaks that define other brands. They are undervalued right now because the styling still looks modern, and many buyers assume they will be expensive to fix. In reality, they share many mechanical components with common Toyotas, making parts surprisingly affordable. You get a sports sedan that looks like $1 million but costs less to run than a modern hatchback. It is a car that thrives on high-mileage use and still looks sharp in a parking lot. It's an incredible value proposition for anyone who wants to drive a premium vehicle without the premium headache. It is truly unstoppable. However, as great as this Lexus is, there is one American car that is literally built like a tank. And it is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world for durability. Number 2, when people talk about a car being bulletproof, they are usually talking about the 2008 to 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. This car is built on the Panther platform, which is a body-on-frame design. That means the car is essentially a truck disguised as a sedan. This architecture is why police departments and taxi companies used them for decades. They can hit curbs, drive through potholes, and idle for 10 hours a day without overheating. The 4.6-liter modular V8 engine isn't the most powerful in terms of horsepower, but it is one of the most durable engines ever bolted into a passenger car. It features a low-stress design that allows it to run for 500,000 miles with proper care. The 4-speed automatic transmission is equally robust, and designed to take the abuse of pursuit driving and heavy-duty towing. These cars are still under $15,000 because many people associate them with old police cruisers or grandmothers. But as the world moves toward fragile unibody cars, the Crown Vic is becoming a legend. You can fix almost anything on this car with a basic set of wrenches in your driveway. Parts are dirt cheap because Ford produced millions of these over 30 years. It offers a smooth, living room on wheels ride that no modern car can replicate. It's the closest thing to an immortal machine you can buy today. However, there is still one car that combines this level of toughness with absolute peak Japanese luxury and engineering. Number 1 is the undisputed king, the 2006 to 2013 Lexus GS300 and GS350. And this is widely regarded as one of the most over-engineered sedans of its era. The GS300 is solid, but the GS350 with the 3.5-liter V6 is the real gem. Built to rival the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class, Lexus quietly outclassed them in reliability and long-term durability. Every detail of this car was engineered with extreme precision, from suspension components to interior seals, all designed to last far beyond normal expectations. The 2GR-FSE V6 in the GS350 is legendary for smooth power delivery and effortless high-mileage performance with minimal issues. It is rear-wheel drive, refined, and incredibly balanced, offering both comfort and quiet strength. Mechanics often praise it as the car they would personally own because it simply refuses to break down when properly maintained. Despite its excellence, it remains undervalued, often under $15,000, because it was overshadowed by the smaller IS and the larger LS in Lexus's lineup. That makes it a true sleeper luxury sedan. It can handle long-distance driving with ease, still looks elegant today, and will likely outlast most modern turbocharged SUVs. If you want true bulletproof engineering, this is the peak. These 7 cars come from a golden era when durability actually mattered. Prices are rising as people rediscover their reliability. Act fast, like, subscribe for more automotive secrets, and comment which bulletproof legend you'd park in your garage today. See you next time.